kaolin is white, delicate, soft soil with good plasticity and fire resistance, and other physical and chemical properties. Kaolin ball press is generally used for the formation of kaolin powder materials. Most of the other types of ball press on the market need to add some binder as auxiliary materials for pressing forming balls, but the kaolin ball press we use is different from the equipment can be directly pressed forming without adding any binder and water. Not only can no binder direct cold pressing molding, but also according to the use of the finished ball requirements of hot pressing molding, then kaolin ball press pressed by the material really does not contain a little water. The answer is yes. This is due to the nature of kaolin itself determined, so the formation of kaolin ball does not contain a little water.